Akakiiko karije kuba nakatambuza emirimo y'itendekero rya UWRTI Research Training Institute herukushanga omuri katwe k'Abatoro Town Council Minister Tom Butime abehanangiriza okukora emirimo yabo.
The appointments bestowed on you today signify the outstanding interest which we have as a ministry for the development of this institute. I therefore implore you to make objective and rightful decisions in order to uphold the integrity of this institution.
Dr. Arthur Mugisha obira chairman w'akakiiko akamazire emyaka 3 nagira ngo ng'akakiiko bakozere kiro kubasika okurebuka ngo bahindure embeera omu mwanya ogu.
Right now you are seated in a not dilapidated place that we inherited. The hostels of the students are very well kept. The compounds are green. When we came in here, there was no single tree. We would be sweltering under the heat.
Sincerely thank you for the tireless efforts rendered in putting this institution to the right footage through the enabling policies.
Sara Narure obwa hatutirwaho kurra akakiiko akasya nagira ngo nibeija kushoronzya emirimo y'abahebwa.
Doing that, all the wildlife rangers we have today, those who guide you in the national parks, are trained by us here as an institute, and also looking at the research. We are in the infantry in terms of our mandate.
Uganda Wildlife Research Training Institute ni itendekero rya gavumenti herukwegesa okurinda enyamishwa hamwe n'ebindi. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.